So here we go with demo number 2. Now picture me as somebody representing the Chinese court, and we've received a mail with an original file and the certificates of the timestamp evidence. And we want to check whether that is true and whether that is actually valid. So we're going to have a look at the original file, create the hash, and check it with the information and the timestamps both in the certificates and on-chain. So first we're going to recreate the hash. So we're going to select the file. This is the same file, the Miljoenennota. We're going to do SHA-256 hashing, and we're going to launch the hash process. And here we see the hash. It starts with 2A and it ends with 41. And if we open the certificates, here we see that this is the certificate for this hash. Starts with 2A, ends with 41, and it is stored in both the IP360 blockchain and a public blockchain called DeSo. So when we scroll down, we first get the information of what is stored in IP360. Here we see again the same document hash, the timestamp. So it was created on November 11th, and this is the local Chinese time. And you can find that same local Chinese time if you would click on the certificate itself. Here you see November 8, 21, 41, 3, 8. So you also see that right here. And if you want to, you can click on the URL, and we'll pause it for a second because you can actually scan the QR code right now to get an online copy of the IP360 certificate. So what we're going to do now, because it's nice to put it in a PDF, but we copy paste the transaction ID, and we're going to go to a public resource with access to the blockchain, and we're refreshing the page as we speak, and we add the transaction ID just right here. And there you see this is from the Social World BV, the timestamp November 8, 21, 24. So actually and apparently this certificate is not only a PDF, but you can recreate the PDF online, and you can actually verify on-chain that this is the actual timestamp related to this hash. And via this website we've verified that this hash belonged to the original document called the Miljoenennota. So basically we've done all these steps. We've recreated the hash, we've checked what's in the certificates, we compare it with what we find on-chain, and we've now confirmed that the file is related to the hash and that the hash is actually timestamped as per these certificates.